It's quite interesting that we actually are having this conversation today, shortly after the president has actually announced level 4. Now, we know that remote working and collaboration solutions for the media production space is rather important.
I might be utilizing my own license, bring my own license model. So it would be incumbent on me just to make sure that that license and that software is the right version and updated, and all of those security aspects are covered. But I wouldn't have to actually concern myself with the security that's residing at the data center. So that's the kind of model where it comes to security. You really can't do anything in the AWS cloud without applying security best practices. There's multi-factor authentication, user authentication, and they call it IAM roles, which is individual access management. So you actually can't do anything without applying the standard best practice security prescripts. The system is set up that you can't have vague and strange passwords when you want to access the system. It's denied. And it's something that, as once again, you don't have to worry about, because the system will tell you, sorry, you can't use this password.
In 2020, we initiated our AWS region, which was a multi-million rand or dollar investment over a period. But I think above and beyond that, we've obviously employed a number of people within the region. I think we've got 7,000 people that currently work for AWS in South Africa. So ensuring that we've got a presence from not only an infrastructure perspective, but also from a people perspective was important for us.
The final question for today is, how do I load and manage my software licenses on the cloud server?
You could either do it on your virtual device via SSH, so you could SSH directly into a single machine. But there are specific services that enable you to run almost a DevOps workflow where you can, at scale, provision software licenses to each one of your machines. You know, it's not possible to SSH into 100 machines, for example. So there are services that enable you to run the deployment of software to your machine. So there is a service within the 160 that AWS provide to do that.